Okay, here is this question, and it says that Susan discovered by trial and error that one root of the equation I have on the screen there was 2. What are the other roots? Okay, so if one of the roots is 2, then that means that x minus 2 is one of the factors. So basically, to get this into a quadratic, we can divide, we can do synthetic division. We can do x minus 2 and divide that into 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 16x minus 12. Alright, so synthetic division. First we do x into 2x cubed, so that would give us 2x squared. And then we multiply that out, so we would get 2x cubed minus 2x squared times minus 2, so it'd be minus 4x squared. These two cancel out and we get minus 9x squared minus 4x squared plus 4x squared, sorry. So we get, that would be minus 9x squared. And then we drop down the plus 16x, and we go again, we get x divided into negative 5x squared would give us negative 5x, and we multiply that, so we get negative x times x is negative 5x squared, negative 5x times minus 2 would give us plus 10x. So we've got 16x minus 10x would give us 6x. And then we drop down the 12, so we get minus 12. And we do 6 into 6x would give us 6. So 6 times x, 6x. And then 6 times negative 2 would give us 12, so there's no remainder. So we can get this to this equation, 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. And then to do that, probably the easiest way is to use the quadratic formula. So you get minus b plus or minus, and it's b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where this is a, b, and c. Alright, so we've got minus 5, so that would be plus 5, plus or minus b squared, that's minus 5 squared, so that's 25. Minus 4 times a is 2, and c is 6. Over 2 times a, so it would be over 4. So this is going to equal 5 plus or minus, and this is 25 minus 8 times 6 is 48, so that means it's going to be negative 23 over 4. So that means that's an imaginary number, because you can't have a square root of a negative, so it'll be 5 plus or minus the square root of 23i over 4. So that gives us I guess you'd separate it out, so it'll be 5 over 4, and we'd get plus or minus 23i over 4, and that is J.